In this video, we'll talk about outbound voicemail drop. So starting where you can upload those, it's going to be in your settings, and under phone settings, you'll find outbound voicemail drop. This is going to be for those recordings that, while you're calling through a list, you have to leave it over and over and over. You can just upload a MP3 recording of that voicemail and just click to drop it and move on to the next call. Saves you a ton of time. But once you have the recording, from your dialer slide out, go back to the dashboard here. From your dialer slide out, when you are on an active call, you will notice the drop voicemail button. Click this and grab your voicemail recording from the system. And once you reach the beep in their voicemail, so leave a voicemail after the beep, click that recording, the call will end, and you can move on to your other calls. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions at all.